But wait! There's more! Hang on to your seat, baby! Cause this one's a screamer!
Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. It's me, Kyle the Tool Rambler, and today we're going to talk about my 5 favorite tools of the week. We're going to start with number 5. It's the Icon 9-inch slip joint long nose pliers. It's got a 3-position slip joint. There's 2, there's 3. Cushion grip handles. You've seen this maybe in some of my other videos. These are my favorite pliers. Yep, they ripped them right off of Snap-on. I don't care. Great pliers, half the price. What's not to love? I think I got these on sale. They're normally like 30 bucks. I got them on a 40% off sale. So 30 times 4, that's 12. I paid $18 for these. Not bad. Okay, my next, number 4. The Vaver Ultrasonic Cleaner. This is the 3-liter. It is great. It gets rust off of tools. I use it with a Vapo Rust. I've got a video coming up on it. You may have seen the video where I actually saved 2 out of the 3 quick releases on my Craftsman USA made ratchets. You can get this on Amazon. I think I paid like 45 bucks for it. You can get the 10-liter for a little bit more. I probably should have done that, but so far the 3-liter is doing great, and it's my 4th favorite tool this week. Number 3, the Wera Craftform Security Torque Screwdrivers. I got a whole bouquet of them here. These are set number 367. You've probably seen this one and a lot of my ratchet teardown videos, the number 10. These are the best torque screwdrivers I own. I highly recommend them. Check them out. Available on Amazon. Number 2, Milwaukee ratcheting wrenches. This is a great, it's actually 2 because it's actually like 22 because you got to buy both sets. This is the SAE, these are the metric. Great ratcheting screwdrivers. They do not reverse, so as you can see, they are flat. A lot of people like those reversible ones, but you know, you don't have all the money in the world. And if I didn't mention, I'm self-funded. But these are some great wrenches. The SAE starts at 1/4, goes all the way up to 1 inch. I mean, that's a huge range. All of them ratchet. Man, these you can't even hear. This big one I've used on the skid steer. It also has the anti-slip technology built into it, just like those other brands that we're not going to talk about. The metric goes from 8 all the way up to 22. They come in these trays. They fit perfectly in my toolbox. That's my number 2 for this week. And finally, my number 1 favorite tool of the week, the Milwaukee M12 Insider Ratchet. If you saw my video on electric Milwaukee ratchets, this was in there. It's got a long reach and it's got a replaceable head. So like this is a 3/8 inch anvil. You can take it out. It locks so that when you pull it out, it doesn't come out with the socket. It comes with its own insider sockets that just pop right in and give you a low clearance. So it comes with the metric set. It goes from 8 all the way up to 21. You can also buy the SAE set. I think it's about 60 bucks. But if you have all of the anvils, it comes with a 1/4 inch and a 3/8 anvil. You can purchase the 1/2 inch anvil separately. I think it's about 12 bucks. But if you have those 3 anvils and your regular array of sockets, you pretty much got 3 tools in one. That's what I really like about it. There you go. I got the 3/8. That's the one that lives in there. But I always keep the 1/4 and 1/2 inch around just in case. But those are my 5 favorite tools of the week. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, ramble on.
I've seen a lot of stuff in my life, but that was awesome.